In today's video, I'll show you how to create a clean opening where volume style indicators appear on the screen and introduce your video in a clear and audio focused way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the visual cue is seen immediately. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Adjust Volume. Then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, volume style indicators appear briefly, revealing the video with a clean and functional look. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how long the volume indicator stays visible. Shorter duration keeps the intro quick and subtle. Longer duration makes the cue more noticeable. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the indicator feels clear without being distracting. And that's it. You've successfully added an adjust volume reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.